Hi everyone, today we would like to discuss about the pricing mechanism in banking.
Pricing mechanism refers to a system of independence between supply and demand for a good or service and its price. The price mechanism is the outcome of the free play of market force of demand and supply. That means supply and demand in the market will directly affect the price of the goods.
Example, when the demand is more than the supply in the market, it will generally send the price up because people want to generate more profit. On the contrary, when the supply is more than the demand, it will generally send the price down because nobody wants to buy the goods and the price will decrease naturally.
Then, we would like to discuss our subtopic, that is the traditional pricing methods, which means the methods we use to set the price of the product. As we all know, the traditional pricing methods consist of three components such as cost-based pricing, demand-based pricing, and competition-based pricing. Cost-based pricing can be separated into two types, which are cost-plus pricing and markup pricing. Cost-based pricing is defined as a pricing method in which a certain percentage of total cost of production is added to the cost of product to determine its selling price. Basically, cost-based pricing involves the cost of ingredients and the cost of operating the business. There is an example of cost-based pricing. Firstly, we design a product, then we determine the product cost. After that, we set the price of the product based on the cost. Cost-plus pricing, which is a component of the cost-based pricing, means that we add together the direct material cost, direct labor cost, and overhead cost for a product, and then add in a markup percentage to determine the price of the product. There are several advantages of cost-plus pricing. Firstly, it requires minimum information. Secondly, it involves simple calculation. Thirdly, it insures sellers against the unexpected charge in cost. However, there are also disadvantages of cost-plus pricing. For instance, this method ignores price strategies of competitors and the role of customers. Markup pricing refers to a pricing method in which a fixed amount of cost of the product is added to a product's price to get the selling price of the product. For example, if a retailer has taken a product from the wholesaler for 100 ringgit, then he might add up a markup of 20 ringgit to gain the profit. Demand-based pricing is a pricing method in which the price of a product is determined by the demand in the market. If the demand of a product is more, organization prefers to set high prices for product to gain the profit. If the demand of a product is less, low prices are charged to attract the customers. This type of pricing can be seen in the examples of hospitality and travel industries. For instance, airlines during the period of low demand charges less rates as compared to the period of high demand. Competition-based pricing occurs when a company sets a price for its goods based on what competitors who are selling a similar product for. The advantage of competition-based pricing is that it avoids price competition that can damage the company. For example, the organization may charge higher, lower, or equal prices as compared to prices of its competitors.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening attentively. I hope you all will find our talk helpful and enjoy it.
Created using Powtoon.